Ouch. Did that hurt? Because that had a thorn in you. Get from under it, Benji. You can see him much better now. Come on, broccoli. You could do some cleaning up. Spinach looking good. Celery. And Brussels sprouts. It's the other broccoli. Let's see, we done ate some of these. Let's see how many we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 mandarin oranges. I'm able to quack up on the last day of the year, you guys. How about you? What? A few carrot seeds. Peas and celery. I'm waiting for the cauliflower to show up to the party. Dinosaur kale. More celery. Cabbage. Look like I got some slug damage. Some more kale. Greens. Lemon verde. Okay. Last day of the year, 2024. Look.
It's cold out there. You go out there?
Flowers. Tomatoes.
You wanna go out there?
Yeah, I'll start to take that down.
Really? Now here he come. Did he come by? No, he ain't coming. You need to go out there.
Peppers.
You brush them like you do.
God is so good. Overwintering. Even when you look like you shouldn't be surviving, you're still holding on to your fruit. Okay, glory. I thank you, Jesus. It got the zoomies. Leave him alone. May God bless you, keep you. May your soul prosper as much as your finances, and your health and your strength. Keep that first. Foremost, first, above all. No weapon formed against us shall prosper. And we can do all things through Christ that gives us the strength. Just surrender to his will. Remember to love and love hard. This is So with Carla, signing off for the last time in 2024. Be blessed.